Hello guys! Do you want to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp but don't know how? Well, it's very simple to ask anything to Meta AI. Here in this video, I will show you how to use or chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp.so. Let's go ahead. How to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. Now, tap on New Chat option and choose Meta AI. When popped up, accept its terms and conditions. You do several things with Meta AI like asking questions, discussing your interest, receive recommendation about your interest like movies or restaurants. How to chat with Meta AI on group. First, open the particular WhatsApp group. Then, type @ and choose Meta AI from the list. Here, type whatever you want to ask or send. Now, Meta AI will provide you answer and will be visible to all members in a group. Meta AI can also be used in a WhatsApp group to chat. But remember that you have to mention @Meta AI whenever you want to chat. How to generate images with Meta AI on WhatsApp. First, open the chat you want to generate AI images. Now, type @Meta AI and then type /imagine. Here, write whatever you want to generate as AI picture. Finally, Meta AI will generate that particular picture for you. Chat with various characters. In addition, you can also chat with different characters that are based on various categories such as culture, learning, sports, travel, etc. That's it. Now you can easily chat with Meta AI of your choice and can engage with several features on WhatsApp.